Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I found a place for my new succulent in our bedroom. And then here's the second little guy. October 26th at 4:30 in the afternoon. I just got out of my dentist appointment. I'm still a little numb, so I can't really enunciate correctly, but the right side of my mouth feels really fat. Anyway, Medina did a great job, and now I'm heading out for a little girls' night with my best friend. Say hi. Beautiful. Mexican. Oh gosh. I just got done with my second dentist appointment with Medina. She's absolutely killing it. She's helping me keep my teeth super white and clean. So this is your daily reminder to go set up an appointment, go see your dentist, get your teeth cleaned. Don't wait 11 years like I did. I still have the stuff on my tongue that shows you parts of your teeth where you need to brush more. So luckily I don't have too many spots, but again, super grateful for her. And now I'm actually heading to lunch with my sister. We're gonna get some ramen noodle. Cheers! Big large. Where are we going? Entrance. I've never been to IKEA. Okay, this is my dream kitchen, and Elena would like to say something.
Yeah, I would be the coolest aunt ever.
She says she works out. My sister's crazy. Very successful trip to IKEA for my first time. Elena bought me this little fica, and then I got a snake plant, and then a really good smelling vanilla candle. And there goes my sister. Look at this fire. Where's Dad at? Came home to my parents. Look how cute. So I'll give you a little tour of the inside of the house. My parents' house is always very decorated. Oh, here's a really old photo of me. This was in my prime. I thought I was badass. Little 12-year-old me. I love you. Mom, your house is beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I love that you already have Christmas decorations up.
Okay, those are like Christmas fall season. Oh, I see those up all year. This is like, is it ready? Ooh, Mom, it looks
Hi,
perfect.
Penny.
Yeah. Bravo. No burning.
You can do that.
Okay, mine's probably almost
Ooh,
ready.
there's my older brother. Look at the shrine of my sister. Elena. Hey. Hey, Dad, were you proud of me? I shot a gun.
Well, the next time we do it, the guy said, "Oh, we got 22s here. We'll just have her shoot one. You guys come back." So I'll probably do one more private training.
Oh yeah, I really itched down there. just because I'm doing a little say hi. I love you.
Oh, George and I had a couple of trees. So we're fine.
Katie's gonna burn her face off.
Well, I mean, the steaks. What's this? The hamburger. Sorry.
Push right there. There you go. Good job. How about I roast them first? Do you like them burnt?
No.
Do you like them crispy?
No.
Do you like them brown?
No.
Do you just like?
Okay, so let me show you my childhood bedroom. Of course, there's the wall of awkward photos. There's baby tiny Kara. So over here is my childhood bedroom. It's definitely changed a lot. Hi! This is my grandma. Rest in peace. I love you, Grandma. Over here is also my grandma and my grandpa. Rest in peace, both of you. I love you so much. I also had, growing up, a walk-in closet that clearly has been destroyed by my sister. Also, did anyone else have an easy bake oven? Because I did, and I loved it. And then, yeah, my parents just destroyed this bedroom, and they pushed into the attic, which is how we were able to have a whole separate closet. And then over here you see the original outline of my childhood wall. Those are actually my handprints. My mom and I spent like so long sponging all of that. And then my sister and I came in and we painted it this really aggressive, bright lime green. We used to have a bunk bed instead of this big bed. We had a bunk bed that was right here. I slept on the top. And then we had a Jack and Jill bathroom. So this connects to the other side of the room. Always had a full length mirror. And this is my little sister's old bedroom. She now moved out as well. As you can tell, she's got a lot of stuff in here still. All those books I used to give her have her name all on them. Yeah, this is my childhood room and my childhood bathroom. So, yeah. Hi, Pearl. Hi, Pearl. Good girl. And then you have Pella. Come on. Good girl. And you've got Penny over in the corner. Let's go say hi to Penny. Hey, Penny. Sweet girl. And so, yeah, this is a little bit of my childhood home. Here's some really old photos of me. Here's me in pre-K when I didn't know how to smile. And then like 3rd grade, I was super awkward. And then let me show you the final awkward picture of me. So, this is our first dog, Pocahontas. My parents, Eric, my older brother, my younger brother Ryan, little me. Back when it was just my older brother Eric and I had just been adopted, so I was super young here. And then this is just a really awkward family photo. Anybody else have those church photos that their parents made them wear? Kind of matching, cohesive outfits. I mean, look at these sleeves. Who let me leave the house? Yeah, so I really love my parents' home. My mom goes all out with her decorations. I mean, my parents' house is one of my favorites. It's just got a lot of memories, a lot of junk, a lot of good times. I think this painting came from our first house, so it's traveled with us through the years. join everybody back out at the fire. Alright you guys, thanks so much for joining me for a couple of days in my life. I hope you guys had a lot of fun this week with me while we did our nails, we went shopping, we went out to dinner, we also just kind of had a great time with some family and some friends. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!